Let's take a look at the different options for creating and editing visualizations within ReportPlus Desktop. We are currently viewing a dashboard. If you want to edit this dashboard, you click on the Edit option in the top right corner. Then each of the individual visualizations has a More menu where we can select and choose either Edit, Copy, or Delete. We will choose Edit for this case. We are now in the Visualization Editing screen. This is a marketing campaign performance dashboard with data that includes sessions, conversions, referring domains, dates, year, as well as sales. On the left-hand side, you have the fields from this data set. In the middle, you have your preview of the visualization. Below is a pivot grid where you can drag and drop fields to visualize your data. In this case, we put the dates in the rows. In the values, the different colored areas represent the organic, paid, direct, email, and referral fields. For each field, you can set different filters. You can have a filter by role. Let's say we want to see top 10 products. We can add a filter in by top 10 if that data was something that would be useful for the consumers of this dashboard. We can sort by ascending, see what is in the top 5, the top 10, and sort that data so we can visually show the viewers of these dashboards who the top salespeople are if we were looking at a sales example. On the right-hand side, you have different visualization choices. You have your table or your grid view, where we have dates, roles, and then values, which are filling in the right-hand side here. The values, organic, paid, direct, email, and referral. You can have a text gauge view. This is a KPI indicator that you can set, and there are settings for the different colors, green, yellow, red. This can be enacted in the Visualization Settings option. There is a Map option, great if you have location data. There is a circular gauge, linear gauge, bullet graph, line chart, area chart, spline chart, spline with area chart, step line chart, step area chart, column chart, bar chart, stacked area chart, stacked column chart, stacked bar chart, 2Y axis chart, pie chart, donut chart, funnel chart, scatter chart, bubble chart, polar chart, circular chart, an OHLC chart, and a candlestick chart. You can link to a web URL and add a custom visualization that we do not support out of the box and bring it into the application. There's more information on that in the user guide. There are additional settings as well. You can choose the color that you want to start with. This is your starting color for this theme. We have over 30 different themes, and each has 8 unique colors in the palette that you can choose from. You can choose the labels you want to display as well. There are advanced settings as well. For the chart line, if you want to show a linear fit, cubic fit, something to compare your data to. You have dashboard filters. This allows you to create a dashboard filter for your visualizations based on one data point. In this case, we have a date range chosen and it updates all of the visualizations. You can link one dashboard to another, so you can make one chart element clickable and then link that to another dashboard. For example, you could start at a very high-level sales dashboard and then drill down to the individual rep dashboard. In this next tab, you have your parameter settings. Parameters allow you to specifically choose the data within that data set that you want to visualize. If it's an Excel sheet, you can remove the automatic selection and then you can define that specific range in that Excel sheet. For other data sets like Google Analytics and different web services, you will have to choose specific settings for those parameters, and that will drive the fields you can visualize. The last tab is the General Settings. It's mostly informational and shows the name of the visualization and what information you would like to display to your end users. To learn more about ReportPlus, keep watching the guided learning videos. Look through the product documentation, and for the latest updates, be sure to check ReportPlus.com.